With all your data in place and parameters set, you can move to step 5, running simulations and analysing the outputs. The starting point of every PPI simulation is the final value you entered for each indicator in the indicators template. So all simulations are prospective or forward-looking, showing you how the indicators would behave in future. There's just one final thing to input to the model before you run the simulation: timescales. Your data in the indicators template spanned a certain length of time, probably a number of years. PPI always divides this time span into 50 ticks. These ticks, or time periods, allow the agents inside the AI time to learn. So, for example, if your data spanned 10 years, one tick of the simulation would be 2.4 months. You use that figure to tell the model how many future ticks it should simulate. So, if you wanted to simulate 5 years into the future, you would specify 25 periods here. This formula will help you find how many time periods to simulate. Press the button to start the simulation. You'll see 3 different visualisations of the results, which you can print or download. And you can also download the simulated data as a spreadsheet. This lets you see the averaged values for each ticks in the simulation and create your own analysis and plots. Now that you've run one simulation, you can think about running comparisons, alternatives, and counterfactuals. For instance, adjusting the budgets, but using the same parameters and skipping the calibration, will allow you to perform counterfactuals and ask your what-if questions about how money could be spent. We hope you enjoy the app. Use it. Share it.